these 3 ways. Such a fun one today. Have you hopped on the Trendsend theme box train? If you haven't, this is the easiest way to get styled without having to do any of the work. So we're going to run through my 3 favorite theme boxes we've got going on right now that you can get delivered right to your door. So let's start with the first one. Leggings for days. I know it. You know it. You're living in leggings these days. This is your fall uniform. So we're going to send you 2 to 3 full looks, all centered around leggings. So I wanted to show you an example of an awesome outfit that we would send right in your box. So this is the Varley Oakton Sherpa Yummy sweatshirt. Check it out. Little side zips here in gold. So darn cute. Paired back to, of course, the legging everybody needs in their closet, Spanx. You guys, this is the core essential legging. Look how high rise this is. It just holds all the pieces in. And then I have it paired back to my little Dolce Vita high top sneakers, which I love these guys in the animal print. Remember, in Trendsend boxes, you cannot get shoes, so it's so easy to just swipe on up and shop the ones that you need right now. Okay, box number 2. Hot Mama box. I need it, you need it, a night out, and I am looking for just a few easy, versatile pieces that can bring me out to a socially distanced dinner, or maybe a backyard, or maybe even, quite honestly, a dinner on my deck at home once we put the kids to bed. But you need it. So, such a fun box, you guys. Great tops, easy jeans, pieces you can mix and match and go casual or just a little bit more sexy. So, Allison Joy, I love this blouse. It's just a touch bohemian, but what I think that really means is it's a little bit sexy. Have it tucked into the A. Goldie Sophie ankle. I love this, and I love the feminine nature of this top back to the destructed jean. And then, of course, shoes you can pop and get in store or online. This little Dolce Vita booty, which I absolutely adore the neutral color. So easy to wear with literally anything in your closet. Well, last look, last theme box, the not going out fit box. Maybe you are not doing the out date night thing and you are staying in. You guys, this is the box for you. I love it because it is all the comfy, cozy, be in your clothes that feel like jammies kind of looks. And that sundry set is exactly what I'm talking about. Little leopard sundry set, you guys. Why do I love this? It's got a hoodie lined with black, which I think is so cute. Runs true to size. It is comfy as can be, and the magic about sets is you can break it up and wear them a bunch of different ways. You'll get sets like this, little graphic tees, leggings, easy pieces to mix and match. And then if you have not snagged these in store or online yet, Sorel Fuzzy Slipper. It is literally the house shoe of this season. They're so fun and they're so cozy, and I can hardly stand to the idea of taking them off. There you go. 3 awesome theme boxes. Such an easy way to get styled. Let us get our hands on you guys, and we'll send it right to your door. Could not be easier. Hope everyone has a great weekend. We'll see you soon.